Today we'll talk about how can you select you can send your messages on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So then you click here on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. So then you click here on chat settings. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to allow new messages from here. If you want to add from everyone or users I follow or no one, here can you select. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.